Hey, it's Dave from Gibby's Electronics Supermarket, and instead of showing you a project that we're working on inside, we're going to take it outside as it's a beautiful day today. So back here, we're going to be installing a number of Paradigm Garden Oasis speakers, a couple of their in-ground burial subwoofers as well. And then we're going to split it all up and we're going to run it with Sonos and some Paradigm amplifiers. So over here, you're kind of sitting in the flex space of the backyard, which is going to have a speaker on one side and another one facing their covered patio that they already have. Then we're going to move towards the kitchen area. The guys are busy back there running the cables for the speakers. We're going to have two Paradigm Go6s as well as the 8-inch burial subwoofer. That's going to be an independent zone from the one that we just spoke about. Then we're going to have another zone that's going to have the 10-inch burial subwoofer with two more of those Go6s. That's going to allow us to really crank up the audio back here when you have a big get-together back here. Lots of family, of course, is going to come and hang out back here. Then as we come down the steps over here, we're going to come down to the final zone, which is the fire pit zone. So we're just going to have a couple of speakers surrounding the big rocks here so that when you're sitting enjoying the fireplace, you can still listen to your music. So a project like this, we want to start well in advance when we want to work with the landscapers, so that way we can make sure that there's conduits in place, we can make sure that there's hydro in place where we need it to be, so that way when we come back at this stage, we can then run our wires pretty easily. We're using all burial speaker wires, so this stuff can just sit right underneath your mulch or your sod. So that'll all happen in the next couple of days. And then we'll do another video and we'll show you guys the finished product.